Here's a challenge. Can you make every number out of 2 6s and 2 9s? And by every number, I mean every whole number from 1 to 69. I was inspired to try this after seeing this post, and it's basically the 4 force challenge, but a whole lot more nice. I'll be using all the basic operations, including concatenation, which Matt Parker is a fan of, but I'm going to try to avoid square root because it's literally to the power of a half, and I'll only use percentage if I'm really desperate. Also, big thanks to everyone who sent me solutions on my Instagram when I was getting everything written down, and especially the people who showed me elaborate ways to avoid using the dreaded square root. So without further ado, also I'll be using binomial coefficients, aka the choose function from combinatorics, and also trig functions in degrees because they're handy sometimes. Here are a few important results that will come up a lot, and now, without further ado, 1 is 69 over 69, 2 is 6 times 6 over 9 plus 9, 3 is 9 over 6 plus 9 over 6, 4 is 6 plus 9 plus 9 all over 6, 5 is 6 plus 9 over 9 minus 6, 6 is 9 minus 6 plus 9, 7 is 69 minus 6 all over 9, 8 is 9 minus 6 factorial over 6, 9 is 9 over 9 minus 6 plus 6, 10 is 69 minus 9 over 6, 11 is 6 over 9 minus 6 plus 9, 12 is 6 plus 6 minus 9 plus 9, 13 is 6 times 6 over 9 plus 9, 14 is 9 choose 9 minus 6 divided by 6, 15 is 69 minus 6 times 9, 16 is 96 minus 6 factorial over 9, 17 is 9 plus 9 minus 6 over 6, 18 is 6 times 9 over 9 minus 6, 19 is 9 plus 9 plus 6 over 6, 20 is 6 root 9 plus 6 over root 9, I finally had to give in to the square root, 21 is 9 to the power of 9 over 6 minus 6, 22 is 6 choose root 9 plus 6 over root 9. I found an alternative way. 22 is arc cos of sine of minus 9 degrees divided by 9 times cos 6 factorial plus cos 6 factorial, which is 2. 23 is 69 over 9 minus 6, 24 is 6 to the 9 minus 6 over 9, 25 is 96 over 6 plus 9, 26 is 6 factorial over 9 minus 6 times 9, 27 is 9 minus 6 to the power of 9 minus 6, or 96 minus 69. I thought they both look really nice. 28 is root 9 to the power of root 9 minus 6 over 6. Or alternatively, 9 times 9 minus 6 plus cos of 6 factorial. 29 equals 69 over root 9 plus 6. 30 equals 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9. 31 is 66 over root 9 plus 9. Although I have these alternatives of 29 and 31 that don't use square root. 32 is 96 over 9 minus 6. 33 is 99 minus 66. 34 is 6 times 9 minus 6 choose root 9. 35 is 6 times 6 minus 9 over 9. 36 is 6 times 6 plus 9 minus 9. 37 is 6 times 6 plus 9 over 9. 38 is 6 root 9 plus 6 choose root 9. 39 is 6 times 9 minus 6 minus 9. 40 is 6 choose root 9 plus 6 choose root 9. 41 is 6 double factorial minus 6 minus 9 over 9. 42 is 6 times 6 plus 9 over 9 in brackets. 43 is 6 double factorial minus 6 plus 9 over 9. 44 is 66 times root 9 factorial over 9. 45 is 9 times 9 minus 6 times 6. If you do difference of two squares, is also 9 minus 6 times 6 plus 9. 46 is 69 times 6 over 9. 47 is 6 double factorial minus 6 to the power of 9 minus 9. 48 is 9 times 6 minus 6 over 9. 49 is 6 double factorial plus 6 to the power of 9 minus 9. 50 is 6 times 9 minus 6 over 9. 51 is 6 times 9 plus 6 minus 9. 52 is 9 times 6 minus 6 over root 9. 53 is 6 double factorial plus 6 minus 9 over 9. 54 is 69 minus 6 minus 9. 55 is 9 factorial over 9 minus 6 factorial all over 6 factorial. 56 is 9 choose 6 minus 6 over 9. 57 is 6 times 9 minus 6 plus 9. 58 is 6 times 9 plus 6 over 9, all in brackets. 59 is 9 minus 6 over 6% plus 9. 60 is 6 times 9 plus 9 minus 6 factorial, but another way to do it is with the arc cos function, because arc cos 1/2 is 60 degrees. 61 is 9 minus root 9 concatenated with 6 over 6. The 9 minus root 9 is a 6, and 6 over 6 is 1, and so 6, 1 gets 61. Yep, that's how it works. 62 is 9 factorial over 9 times 6 factorial plus 6. 63 is 6 times 9 plus 9 over 6 in brackets. 64 is 6 to the power of 6 divided by 9 to the power of root 9. 65 is 6 factorial over 9 minus 6 minus 9, or 66 minus 9 over 9. 66 is 69 plus 6 minus 9. 67 is 66 plus 9 over 9. 68 is 69 minus root 9 factorial over 6. And 69 is 6 times 9 plus 6 plus 9. And we're done. 69. Nice. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any nicer solutions that don't use square roots, let me know in the comments, and if you want another challenge, make every number up to 420 using all these digits exactly once again avoiding square roots wherever you can. Like and subscribe, and see you next week where I finally explain why decimal is better than decimal, but also why it really isn't.